Okay, Nate, what's our experiment going to be?
3 different bottles of soda, and we're gonna put Mentos in them.
And what are we going to measure?
The height.
The height
With that.
with that. And what is your hypothesis of which one is going to be the highest?
Maybe this one, because it makes you burp a lot.
The orange one you think is the most carbonated?
Yeah.
So your hypothesis is of these three, the orange is going to be the highest?
Maybe.
So how many are you going to put on?
7.
Okay. 7 for each one?
Mhm.
Okay.
This thing's probably not gonna go.
Okay. How high does it go? 19 inches high. All right, come around this side so you can see how. Okay, how high does it go? Oh my gosh! That one went up to 28.
There's no way. There's no way orange could beat that.
You don't think?
No, we are ready for a go.
Lift off.